What if I told you that looking poor could be your secret weapon to building massive wealth? Sounds absurd, right? But here's the twist. Some of the richest people in the world choose to look average. No designer watches, no flashy cars, no Instagram flex, and yet they're stacking millions in silence. Meanwhile, many who look rich, they're drowning in credit card debt. So why do some of the most financially successful people deliberately look broke? In this video, we'll explore the mind-blowing benefits of looking poor and how this psychological trick can flip your financial future. Stick around till the end, because benefit number 8 reveals a surprising reason that could protect your entire legacy. This is not just about saving money. It's about power, freedom, and mastering the game. If you're passionate about success and ready to take action, hit that subscribe button. We're here to inspire and guide you every step of the way. Let's dive in. Benefit number 1. Quiet confidence beats loud luxury. Let's start with example. Ashley, a high school teacher earning $55K per year, wore thrift store outfits, drove a used Corolla, and quietly invested 30% of her income in ETFs and real estate. At 35, she owned 2 rental properties and had a net worth of $480,000. No one saw it coming. Here's what people get wrong. They confuse attention with respect. Flashiness might grab stares, but humility earns trust. When you let go of the need to constantly prove your worth, you start accumulating real worth. Take Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, worth billions, yet flew economy class and drove a 15-year-old Volvo. He didn't waste a dollar trying to look successful. He spent it building a legacy. Before every major purchase, ask yourself, is this for me or to impress others? If it's not adding long-term value, asset, skill, income, delay it. Redirect that $500 you'd spend on flashy shoes into stocks or a course and watch what happens in a year. The guy flexing a $1,000 watch might be in debt. The one wearing a $30 Timex might own the building you work in. Now, who really wins? Number 2. You become invisible to energy vampires. Ever felt drained after spending time with certain people? Even if all you did was talk? That's no accident. Some folks don't just want your money. They feed off your energy, your peace, and your potential. In the world of wealth building, looking poor is your cloak of invisibility. When you stop flashing success, you automatically repel fake friends, manipulative relatives, freeloaders, and jealous coworkers. The kind of people best-selling author Tim Ferriss, in The 4-Hour Workweek, calls time and emotional debt creators. These are the people who smile when you shine, but secretly drain your momentum. Why? Because you've become a resource, not a relationship. The moment you appear to have it all, you become their solution. Can you spot me $200? You're lucky, bro. Just help me get in. You got a new car? Let's take it out for a spin. Sound familiar? Stop broadcasting your wins. Practice strategic silence. Keep your circle tight. Journal your growth. Don't tweet it. Use privacy as a power move, not a retreat. Want to impress? Let your results speak when you no longer need to. Number 3. You gain the advantage of being underestimated. Here's a thought that'll shake you. The moment people think you're not a threat, you become the most dangerous person in the room. Looking poor gives you the power of surprise. It disarms people. It makes them show their real intentions. When you're not dressed in success or dripping in status, people drop their guard, and that's exactly where your power begins. In The 48 Laws of Power, Robert Greene calls this conceal your intentions. Because when people underestimate you, they don't compete with you, block you, or copy you. You get time, space, and opportunity to move in silence and strike with precision. The man who looks rich gets challenged. The man who looks broke gets ignored. But one is burning cash. The other, building an empire. Next time someone underestimates you, don't defend yourself. Build quietly. Let your results slap louder than any words. Hide your progress. Launch when you're ready, not when they're watching. The best wins are the ones no one sees coming. And here's the twist. This same strategy can save you from burnout. That's next. Benefit number 4. You spend energy on what truly matters. Here's a question that might sting a bit. Are you building a life or just curating a lifestyle? Because there's a huge difference. When you constantly try to look rich, you burn energy on performance, not progress. Every outfit you plan, every post you edit for the gram, every dollar spent for validation, it drains mental bandwidth. Research shows the average American checks their appearance-related social apps up to 17 times a day, wasting nearly 2.5 hours daily just keeping up. That's over 900 hours a year, time that could have built a business, deepened a skill, or secured your next investment. But when you look poor, you're free. Pressure to impress, no fear of judgment, just you versus your goals. You stop chasing likes and start chasing leverage. What people get wrong: they think money is the only resource. It's not. Your energy is more limited than your wallet. You can earn more money, but time, focus, and mental clarity, once gone, gone for good. Audit your energy weekly. Ask, what drained me? What moved me forward? Cut one distraction. Replace it with 60 minutes of focused work or learning. Don't just track expenses, track energy leaks. And speaking of production, there's one habit that makes you wealthier the moment you adopt it. But it only works if you look broke. Let's talk about it. You naturally become a super saver. Looking poor doesn't mean you're broke. It means you've stopped burning cash to feed your ego. When you strip away the need to constantly appear rich, you unlock your natural ability to save without effort. And not just pennies, we're talking thousands. The average American spends $3,600 per year on status-driven purchases: branded clothes, gadgets they don't need, dining out just to post on Instagram. That's $300 per month gone, not because they want those things, but because they fear looking less. But when you look poor by choice, you break free from the pressure. You wear simple clothes, skip overpriced trends, and suddenly, your savings account starts to breathe. You're not depriving yourself, you're decoding the trap. That's when your bank balance becomes your brag, not your outfit. Looking poor is not a sacrifice, it's a shortcut to wealth. It rewires your instincts to protect and multiply your money instead of leaking it for validation. Benefits number 6. You attract real people, not opportunists. If you stripped away your car, your clothes, your status, how many people would still stick around? That's the power of looking poor. It's not just about money. It's about discovering who's real in your life. When you look modest by choice, you become a human filter. The pretenders, gold diggers, clout chasers, fake friends start disappearing. Why? Because there's nothing flashy to latch onto. You stop being a target for opportunists and start becoming a magnet for authenticity. Best-selling book, Ego is the Enemy, by Ryan Holiday talks about how humility is the ultimate truth serum. It reveals people's real intentions. And guess what? Looking rich invites envy. Looking poor invites honesty. Keanu Reeves, one of Hollywood's highest-paid actors, is famously low-key. No mansions on display, no fancy clothes. He takes the subway, eats with the homeless, and gives away millions. And because of his humble presence, he's admired for his soul, not his salary. He attracts people who see the man, not the money. Do a lifestyle audit. Remove one flashy expense you've been using to impress others. Could be your car, designer accessories, or overposting on social. Then observe. Who still checks in? Who still values you? Build more with them. Distance the rest. In conclusion, looking poor isn't about deprivation, but strategic prioritization. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more transformative tips. Looking poor helps you attract people who see your character over your cash, your heart over your house. It builds relationships based on truth, not transactions. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.